guys, it's Michelle and Krista with Ribbon Chix Boutique YouTube channel, and this week we're doing something special. We are leaving the stores and headed to market in Las Vegas to pick out new clothing for you guys.
But do not fret, because we're taking you along with us. We're going to show you the ins and outs of our market searches and our market finds. You guys ready? I am to go. You guys, we are in Las Vegas. It is hot here, and I'm sure the fashion finds are going to be too. We're excited to get to market in the morning to see what we can find. We are going to look for all of the best in the best.
Yes, we are pumped. We are going to take you guys along with us as we stroll through market. We're going to give you updates from different booths, so show you some new trends, some fun outfits that you can look forward to wearing this fall and holiday season. We can't wait, so pay attention because you're going to see great things. Hey guys, so we have just made our first round of choices in one of our favorite booths, and we're going to give you a quick sneak peek at some of the fall styles you're going to see in our stores. So check out these beautiful satin dresses, nice button down, sash style, long sleeve, really pretty gold buttons. We have this available in a blue and a black coming your way, very exciting. And check out this fun, flirty, floral fall tone dress that you're going to be seeing too.
Love that black and khaki colorway. And then as far as tops, we've got some really great prints. Look how beautiful the mixture of this is. If you're a Free People fan, and maybe it's giving you Free People vibes, I know it did me. How beautiful is this for fall? It's giving Thanksgiving to me, yum. And then this gorgeous cream colorway, like a sweatshirt, then add in a fun color pop print on the sleeve. So many great things. We have all of these chosen for you guys coming soon, and we'll tell you all the details coming up. And we're in one of our favorite booths, coming to show you some of our favorite picks. This adorable corduroy piece can be worn as a shacket as shown, or button it up and it can be a dress. It comes in this gorgeous breast color or in a cream. How fun is she?
Oh my gosh, I love her, y'all.
Not only that, but ladies, this tiger cardigan is going to be so fun. Unbutton it, wear it with leggings. So many awesome things. Wear it with your favorite team t-shirt, which is what I'm planning to do because our local team is Tigers. But love her.
Yeah, Tigers are cool no matter whether you're a Tiger school or not.
Absolutely.
They're everywhere.
Check out all of the fun prints. This is a great paisley and multicolors, and this fun floral in all the color pop. Ooh, hello cheetah. This hunter green is going to be everywhere for fall. Love, love, love her.
And some of the great textures we found at market include this baby ribbed corduroy. So cute, so flirty, so fun. Love this green sage color. And check out these beautiful velvet textures. And really cute, fun little color block sweater. So great.
And we're already thinking about holiday. We've got lots of great pieces coming in that will be so gorgeous for holiday. Reds and greens, creams, golds, all of the gorgeous pieces, and we're gonna promise to style those up for you so you know exactly how to wear them. It's going to be a great season, guys. Super exciting day. We're here at Bed Stew. You guys know it and love it. All the great leather. It wears great, looks great, smells great, and we are here to prove it. Here with our awesome rep, Adam. You guys, he's the absolute best. He takes care of any problems, and all the awesomeness shows us what's in stock and in style.
Yes, you can count on Bed Stew to always deliver the quality and the style. Adam guides us each season to pick the right choices, show us what's hot, what's not, and what you're going to love. So count on seeing these beauties at our store this fall. Can't wait.
We love you as much as you love Bed Stew. Get your Bed Stew at Ribbon Chix.
Yeah. We absolutely love coming to market to see all of the upcoming trends, what's going to be hot, what's going to be not. We have some of our favorites here pulled for you. Rich textures, beautiful prints. Let's take a look. Check out this adorable sweater. It could be dressed up or dressed down. It's got a 3D effect that we absolutely love, and this color looks absolutely stunning. And also these beautiful sweaters. Look how great this texture is. This is a nice thick rib design and a two-dimensional color here with the cream and the pink. And check out some paisleys here. A nice thick sweater, keep you warm all through the cold weather. And then here we've got a mixture of textures, kind of a mix of a fuzzy and then your normal sweater feel, but this feels amazing. And the print here is so gorgeous.
Y'all, these are one of my favorite finds. I know that we've been seeing a lot of shackets over the last few seasons. I am talking about not your typical shacket. Kind of even tired of hearing about shackets. I'm going to use this as a layering piece. You could even keep it buttoned up as a top, but unbutton, throw on a graphic tee, a fun dress up top underneath. And this is a nice like crushed velvet ribbed look that's very elevated. It's very soft, very comfortable, so easy to wear. We picked it out in 3 stunning colors. Check out these rich fall hues right here. They would be so great for so many things.
Love, love, love.
And this little top right here is just so easy to throw on and go. She's got this nice collar, a lot of texture. She's got this thick ribbed knit, lots of details with the buttons, the pocket, and this gorgeous like citron color and this fun like cloudy sky gray color right here.
gorgeous.
Yes.
And then not to be left out, a gorgeous dress. This is a gorgeous velvet in this mustard color. We're thinking game day here, or honestly just with brown boots and a hat will be so pretty for fall. And not to be left out, because we all know we love our athleisure, this sweatshirt is a nice long piece that is so cozy, comfy, and it even has pockets. We have it in 3 different beautiful colors in regular and plus sizes. So you guys, y'all are going to be very excited. Make sure you keep tuned into Ribbon Chix, because all of the best pieces are going to be coming to you.
Hey guys, we have been to market. It has closed down. We came, we saw, we conquered, and it has been amazing.
It has been exhausting, but we're bringing all of the best to you, so get excited. We have shopped immediates for fall, into winter, holiday, and intro to spring. Woo, that's a lot. And not to mention the best of the best shoes. Woo.
Yes, you're going to be so excited with all the things you see coming our way at ribbonchix.com. Check with us every Sunday night for a new drop on our YouTube channel, and we appreciate everyone who watches. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video.
We're gonna go take some naps and fly on home. See you guys soon.
Bye guys.
Wait, I got it. It's good. Oh yeah, that's